Dubai is recognized for its opulence and the high cost of living, but the city also offers options for those seeking a more extended, cost-effective stay without sacrificing comfort. Exploring the possibility of comfortable and budget-friendly long-term accommodation becomes a relevant inquiry for visitors planning a prolonged visit. Whether one is in Dubai for business, leisure, or relocating, the range of furnished hotel apartments available provides a solution that merges the comfort of home with the amenities of a hotel. Opting for an extended stay necessitates a balance between convenience and affordability. The availability of options to find hotel apartments in Dubai allows visitors to select accommodations that cater to their specific needs. These hotel apartments offer flexible terms and a variety of services designed to make guests' stay both enjoyable and practical. With considerations such as location, access to public transportation, and amenities, including housekeeping, internet, and fitness centers, travelers can tailor their stays to their preferences while managing their budgets. Evaluating accommodation options for extended stays in Dubai. When planning an extended stay in Dubai, selecting the right type of accommodation that balances comfort with cost-effectiveness is crucial. Consider factors such as location, amenities, and proximity to public transportation when choosing accommodation options. Additionally, exploring long-term rental agreements or serviced apartments might offer more flexibility and savings for your extended stay in Dubai. Hotels versus serviced apartments. Dubai offers a variety of hotel apartments and serviced apartments, with options ranging from budget-friendly to luxury accommodations. Hotels may provide the luxuries of a hotel-like room service and daily housekeeping, while serviced apartments offer a home-away-from-home experience with more space and privacy. For business travelers or families who value space and a fully equipped kitchen, a serviced apartment could be a cost-effective alternative. Hotel apartment. Ideal for those seeking short-term flexible stays without the need for a long-term lease. Serviced apartment. Typically offers a fully furnished apartment with home-like amenities, best for longer stays. Amenities and facilities. Accommodations in Business Bay or downtown Dubai often feature a range of amenities such as swimming pools, fitness centers, and on-site restaurants. The facilities in serviced apartments may include a kitchenette or a fully equipped kitchen, washing machines, and a living area, making them a practical solution for extended stays. When comparing, consider both the on-site amenities and the in-room facilities to find the perfect balance of comfort and luxury. Budget-friendly tips. For those on a budget, it's important to look for accommodations that offer value without compromising on quality. Seeking out hotel apartments with a kitchen can save on food expenses, and properties located just outside the main tourist areas may offer lower rates with easy access to the city. To secure a budget-friendly yet comfortable stay, early booking can also make a significant difference. 1. Early booking. Reservations often secure better rates. 2. Location. Properties slightly off the beaten path can be less expensive than those in the heart of the city. 3. Inclusive deals. Look for stays that include utilities or cleaning services to save extra costs. Finding a balance between budget and luxury, while considering the variety of options for extended stays in Dubai, can be achieved with thoughtful planning. Whether one leans towards the convenience of a hotel or the practicality of a serviced apartment, Dubai caters to all preferences with its vast selection of accommodations. Lifestyle and long-term stay advantages in Dubai. Dubai presents a unique blend of modern comforts and rich cultural tapestries, offering long-term visitors an unrivaled living experience. Whether seeking the luxuries of a hotel or the privacy of a personal space, extended stays in Dubai provide a harmonious balance of convenience and indulgence. Furthermore, the city's dynamic social scene and diverse culinary offerings contribute to its appeal to long-term residents. With world-class amenities, vibrant entertainment options, and a cosmopolitan atmosphere, Dubai ensures that every aspect of daily life is enriched during an extended stay. Cultural experience and leisure activities. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures and a hub for international businesses. Long-term visitors at places such as JBR Beach or Dubai Marina enjoy not only the warm, sun-soaked environment, but also gain exposure to a diverse cultural experience. From dining on authentic Middle Eastern cuisines to exploring the local culture, extended stays offer a deeper understanding of Dubai's heritage. Moreover, the proximity to iconic landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and easy accessibility to Sheikh Zayed Road places guests at the heart of the city's vibrant life. The array of leisure activities is endless, with numerous options for relaxation and entertainment. Residents can unwind at one of the many swimming pools, visit the famous Paris of the Middle East, or take a stroll along the serene waterfronts. For the more adventurous, a short drive can lead to desert safaris or skydiving excursions. Benefits of a home away from home. Extended stay hotels and serviced apartments in Dubai are designed to provide the most comfort and flexibility, resembling a home away from home. Many accommodations feature fully equipped kitchens, allowing for the convenience of home-cooked meals, thus offering significant savings over frequent dining out. These spaces often come with added gym access and laundry facilities, ensuring that the routines of daily life go uninterrupted. For business travelers on a lengthy trip, amenities such as room service and monthly rentals tailored to the needs of working professionals can be found throughout prime locations. The freedom provided by such long-term stay options parallels the independence of living in a private apartment, with the added luxuries of a hotel, including 24-hour security and regular housekeeping. Whether it is for a short-term project or an extended stay, the value for money in these accommodations can be quite appealing, especially for those who value their privacy and independence while also enjoying the support services typically associated with hotels in the United Arab Emirates. Conclusion: extended stays in Dubai offer a practical alternative to traditional accommodations, marrying comfort with cost-effectiveness. Options ranging from luxury properties to budget-friendly apartments enable travelers to tailor their experience to their needs and finances. These establishments cater to the desire for a more home-like environment, with the added benefits of amenities similar to those found in high-end hotels. Visitors find that the convenience and savings of these extended stay alternatives justify their choice for longer visits in the bustling metropolis of Dubai.